Hello friends, welcome to Moonlight. Today we are going to make idli. First we want 2 cup raw rice. Add water for soaking. Next we want 1 cup urad dal. Add half spoon fenugreek. Add water. Soaking time 5 hours. After 5 hours soaking, now add some water and grind. It's grinding time. Well grinded. Now pour in. Next grind soaked raw rice. Add some half bowl rice. Now add water. Grind it. After grinding, pour it. Now we have to mix this both. After mixing, 5 to 6 hour rest. After 6 hours, now mix it. After mixing, now convert it in a bowl. Now add salt. Mix it. Switch on the gas and now put idli cooker and add 1 glass water. We have poured batter. Now water is boiled. Now keep this batter here. Now close it and keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our idli is ready. Soft idli is ready. Very spongy idli. Thanks for watching our video and please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.